So today we're going to be making homemade Lush products and seeing how well they actually work. First, let's start with soap. You're going to need some melt and pour soap base, food colouring, essential oils and moulds. Start by cutting up the soap base with a knife and separating it into large chunks. Place it in your microwave-safe container and heat it until it melts. Once it's fully melted, you can stir in your colouring and your essential oils. We went with orange colouring to match the scent we chose. Gently pour the mixture into the moulds and they're ready to be set at room temperature on a flat surface. Once they're fully solid again, you can take your soap bars out of the moulds, ready to use. For this next one, you're going to need some baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, cornstarch, almond oil, essential oil, bath bomb moulds, water and some colouring pigments. So start by mixing all of your dry ingredients into a bowl. And add in your colour pigments to create the look you're going for. We split our mixture to make different colours in each bowl and added in some extra glitter and sparkles as well. When you're ready, add all of your wet ingredients into a separate bowl and mix. Now slowly and carefully add the wet ingredients to the dry and mix those together. Do this as slow as you can though, otherwise you could trigger the fizzing effect by adding in too much at one time. Once mixed and ready, you can begin to fill in each half of the mould, packing it gently and then pushing together to create the full shape. A little tip is to spray water on each half to help them stick together. We also mixed our colours and added in extra decorations to our moulds to make the final design extra special. For our fabulous homemade face scrub, you're going to need coconut oil, an avocado, a lime, coarse sea salt, rock salt, white sugar, honey, a dash of vodka, and essential oils if you want to. This recipe is pretty simple, as you just want to put all those ingredients together in a large bowl and mix at a slow speed until you get a nice, smooth consistency. Next, grab your storage container and keep aside for a rainy day. Last but by no means least, we have our luscious lip scrub. You only need a handful of ingredients for this one, so grab yourself some raw honey, brown sugar and lavender essential oil. Mix the brown sugar and honey together, then add in a couple of drops of your essential oil into the mix. Give it a blend to make it fine, and then place your mixture into a small container ready for use. There we have it, our homemade Lush products. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos just like this one. And check out our other social channels too.